Today, my video is dedicated to all those parents, teachers, and caretakers who ask this question to me, that whether my child will become normal or not, or whether my child will come out of spectrum disorder or not, how much time it will take for my child to become normal and go to normal school with other kids. My dear friends and parents, lots of patience is required. Actually, it's a long journey for you and me together to be on a same platform for the improvement, for the betterment of your child through occupational therapy activities. Friends, a single set of a skill, it takes lots of time to enhance that particular skill through occupational therapy activities. These kids, as we all aware about that these kids either have sensory overload and underload. So with these sensory issues, we can't impose our particular time hours to bring about the changes in him. We need to go into their world to understand them. First, to know their sensory levels, and then think about the improvements. So today, one of my parents is here. She shares her journey with me and my occupational therapy protocols for her son, who faced lots of challenges due to his sensory issues.
Hello, I'm Sharon from Hyderabad. I'm here to share my experience with Dr. Priyanka Gupta, an occupational therapist who is giving therapy to my 6-year-old kid more than a year. Her therapy methods worked a lot. My kid's sensory issue was resolved, and his OT helps a lot on doing daily activities by his own, like brushing, bathing, and grooming, and eating habits without any help. He started focusing on activities, and his listening skills and attention on tasks has improved a lot. Therapy technique has helped my kid to increase his engagement on activities like a group play, peer interaction, and talking with strangers. Everything was improved. And then comes to his behavior. His behavior was modified by showing some flashcards. Though my child is a visual learner, that means his visual perceptual skill was developed. To his fine motor skill, before my kid was struggling to hold pencils and lost interest on writing. Then Dr. Priyanka's step-by-step handwriting techniques create magic on my kid. I'm just showing some samples. These are the first writing of my kid, and then now his writing was improved like this. My kid started coloring within the boundary, and he started drawing a picture by seeing a sample. These are the sample picture of my kid. his cognitive skill. I'm happy my kid is sailing on the same boat with his peers. Thank you, Priyanka ma'am, for giving a right therapy to my kid. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sherin, for sharing your views and motivating other parents. You know that I'm really happy that today we are trying for this kid so that he will deal and cope up with the different challenging situation in the outside world. We have put him in a daycare for 1 hour so that he will able to adjust there, and thus he will be ready to go into the normal school. So please, I will request one thing to all the parents, caretaker and teachers, that if you will have trust on occupational therapy activities, you will have trust on occupational therapy treatment for your child who is having autism, having hyperactivity or any kind of attention deficit. Just you need to go into the flow of your child rather than becoming impatient and just thinking for improvements within a week, 10 days or a month or 2. Lots of questions are there. Those questions are always welcomed on my email or my YouTube platform. Thank you so much.